Hello friends, welcome back to Swaggy Amma. Today in this video we are going to see how to make Semia Payasam. Firstly, take a thick bottom vessel and to it add 2 tablespoons of homemade ghee. The recipe of the homemade ghee is there in the top right corner of your screen or in the description box. Once the ghee is hot enough, add about 6 to 7 cashew split into it. Ghee roast them until they turn golden brown. Once your cashews turn golden brown, remove it and keep them separately. Next, in the same kadai, add about 7 to 8 raisins and ghee roast them as well. Once ghee roasted, remove the raisins and keep them separately as well. Next, in the same kadai, add about half a cup of sugar. Keep stirring the sugar in low flame until it dissolves and caramelizes. Once the sugar starts caramelizing and the color starts changing, add 1 liter of full cream milk into it. Make sure to do this in low flame and keep stirring it. Make sure to cook in low to medium flame and keep stirring this until the milk reduces by half. Now add half a cup of vermicelli or semia into it. Please note the vermicelli which I am using here is roasted vermicelli. If you are using the plain vermicelli, make sure to ghee roast it prior to adding it. Allow the payasam to cook for 2 to 3 minutes in low flame. Now add the previously ghee roasted dry fruits into it. Mix everything well and now add 3 to 4 cardamom pods. Now your delicious Semia Payasam is ready. Do try this during this Onam season and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to share it along with your friends. Thanks for watching, and there are a few more videos on your screen. Do click and enjoy them as well, and do not forget to subscribe.